Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, all of you. So we are doing exercise 3.2. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, that you have sent a message to me that I have to give you a PDF. So, sir, today I will give you.
Okay, beta. Okay. 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 Now, Iram,
Yes, sir.
you do one thing. You send the PDF. Okay, you send it today. Okay, don't send it today. You now send it on the next Saturday. Once the chapter is sorry, not the chapter is completed. In after the end of the next week. Okay, on the next Saturday. Okay, whatever work we did till the next Saturday, you can make a PDF of that and then you send it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Varin Goyal, your all the work is complete. In your notebook.
But, sir?
I'm asking your all the work is complete in your notebook.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Summer, your work is complete.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Aditya Kumar, your work is complete.
Sir, today we will do the. Sir, today we will do the second question.
Aditya Kumar, your work is complete.
Sir, we have to do third question.
Beta Aditya, wait. Aditya Kumar, your work is complete in the notebook.
Sir, we have to do today.
Anjali Sharma, sorry, Anjali Saxena. Anjali Saxena. Beta, your work is complete. Is there a student named Anjali in your class? Anshuman Gangwar,
Yes, sir.
your work is complete in maths.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I hope you all are completing your work regularly or doing the work in your notebooks.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Bachcha? Okay, very good. Chaliye, let's start with the
Sir, third question.
with question C. C, we have not done question C. Third exercise. Sorry, second
Yes,
exercise.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, today we will be doing the second part of question exercise 3.2. Check if the following will only both third part.
okay.
Yes, sir. We have to do third part, C
Question-
part of third 3.2.
Question C, exercise 3.2. Check which of the following numbers are divisible by the following. So in this, the first one is by 4. In the first one, we have to check the divisibility of the numbers by 4. Now A. Question C, first part A. 1424 is the number. You just have to tell whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Answer in yes or no. You have to do this in your copy. Copy में करेंगे कैसे करेंगे? You see the last two digits of the number. What are the last two digits? 24 means 24. 24 is a multiple of 4. Yes. Therefore, the number 1424 is divisible by 4. Answer क्या आ जाएगा? Yes. Have you understood how to do it in your copy? You have to do this in your copy,
Yes,
everyone. Clear?
Yes.
B part 8800 is the number. Directly answer लिख दीजिए yes because the last two digits are 0. Last two digits यहाँ पर क्या है? 0 है. So you can say yes, the number is divisible by 4. C part of the number. Sorry, C part of the question. 3156. Last two digits को देखिए 56. 56 is a multiple of 4 or not? You will check by dividing. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 6 4 16 remainder 0. Remainder is 0. Last two digits 56. 56 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, we can say that 3156.
Sir, do we have to do the B portion in book only?
No, we have to do C and D both in the copy. दोनों को copy में करना है.
Sir, this is
Sir, B.
here is the last
B.
number is 0. It is divisible by 4.
Yes, if the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. And if the last two digits are 0, then also the number is divisible by 4.
Sir, do we have to do the B portion also in the?
Yes, in the
Book?
copy. Copy.
Okay, sir.
Everything in the copy. A, B, C, D, all the questions in the copy.
Sir, we have to do all parts of this question.
Yes, I am telling you how to do them. Don't worry. So, I hope you all have done this. Completed the first.
Sir, what are we doing?
What are we doing? It is written on the board. What are we doing? Exercise 3.2. Question C. We are doing exercise 3.2, question C.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Done the first one, all of you? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, sir, we can do by ourselves.
No. First, I will tell you some of them. Then you can do after that. So second one. Second one, you have to check the divisibility by 6. Check the divisibility of the numbers by 6. So A part of this. A part is 771. The number is odd. That means this number is not divisible by 2. जब 2 से divide नहीं होगा तो 6 से तो वैसे नहीं होगा. Answer क्या आ जाएगा? No. Clear or not? 771 is an odd number. So that means it is not divisible by 2. So will it be divided by 6? No, it will not be divided by 6. Clear hai? 8196. 6 की divisibility में what do you check? How do you check the divisibility of a number by 6? Tell me.
Sir, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also.
Very good. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. हाँ, 8196 is the number. So check the divisibility of this number by 2. First of all, 2 से divide हो रहा है. Yes. Now 3 से भी check कर लो. 3 से कैसे check करोगे? Even है इसलिए 2 से तो divide हो रहा है. This is an even number. So 2 से तो check हो ही गया. How will you check by 3? You add the digits. 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6. What is the sum of the digits? The sum of the digits is 24. 24 is a multiple of 3. Is 24 a multiple of 3? Yes. So this number 8196 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. दोनों से divide हो रहा है. Can we say that it is divisible by 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. C part of the question. 1000. Tell me the reason why it is not divisible by 6. आप लोग मुझे reason बताएंगे. Why it is? मैंने answer लिख दिया. No. Why not?
Sir, because one do not comes in three table.
It is divisible.
By 2 it is divisible, but it is not divisible by 3. So therefore this number is not divisible by 6. Fine. Adrika beta, good morning. Adrika, good morning.
Sir.
How are you, Adrika?
Sir, I am all right.
You all right? Your work is complete, Adrika, in maths?
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Very good. All the work is complete till exercise 3.2.
Sir, in my copy there is one page incomplete, which is of the starting of multiples and factors.
Okay. So you completed. Take help from some of your friends. Complete it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So may I remove this from the board? All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number C, third part. We have to check the divisibility of the number by 8. आपको आता है ये सारा काम या फिर मैं करवाऊँ? You tell me. Can I leave it?
Please don't do.
Yes, sir. Sir,
You want to do it on your own, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, start doing. Okay, I'm giving you some time. Do all the parts. Yes, done all the parts.
Sir, doing the fifth part of the C.
Sir, I
Okay.
have done.
Okay. Okay. Some of you are still doing. Okay. I'm giving you some more time. Okay, have you all done all the parts now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. What we have
Yes.
to do in the question C? I can't understand it.
Which one? Which one? Which one,
Sir,
beta?
I am saying that I can't understand the seventh one.
Seventh one. Divisibility by 7 are you talking? Fourth part. You don't know how to check the divisibility of a number by 7?
No,
Okay,
sir. I'm not type of understanding it.
okay, okay. The fourth part of the question, how to check the divisibility of a number by 7. Again, I'm telling you, if you see the videos of the last few classes, you will understand. Okay, I have explained the divisibility of a number by 7 in detail. No problem, I'm telling again. A part of the question. A 2772 is the number. 2772, 2772 is the number. To check the divisibility of this number, what you do, you remove the last digit of the number. What? Sorry. Remove the last digit of the number. The last digit is 2. So it becomes 277. Now you multiply the last digit by 2 and then subtract it from the remaining number. 277 में से लास्ट डिजिट जो हमने अलग करा इसमें से 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट. So 277 minus 4. 277 minus 4 is equal to 273. 273. Now you divide this number by 7. 273 divide by 7. 273. So you go 3 times 21. Remainder 6. She complete. 9 times 7 into 9 is 63. Therefore the remainder is 0. So after dividing 273 by 7, we see that the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, that means the number 2772 is divisible by 7. So your answer will be yes. Understood? I will give you one more example. Don't worry. What is the step? First step is to just remove the last digit, multiply it by 2. Last digit को remove करके 2 से multiply करो and then you subtract it from the remaining number. So whatever you get after this, you divide it by 7 and see whether the remainder is 0 or not. Okay. So one more example, B part. I hope everyone has understood this. Do you want to note it down in your copy? Adrika, do you want to note it down in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you take a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot.
So it is taken now. You can erase it.
Okay. So now let me do the second one. Same question. Second one. The number is 8183. We have to check the divisibility of this number by 7. Okay, look again. See again. So remove the last digit from the number. The last digit is 3. Multiply the last digit by 2. 3 into 2. And then you subtract it from the remaining number. Okay, 3 into 2. You will subtract from 818. 818 minus 3 into 2. So 818 minus 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So 818 minus 6 is 812. 812. Now you divide 812 by 7. 812 you divide by 7. 7 ones are 7. 1, 1, 1, 7, 4, 2, 6, 42. Remainder 0. Remainder is again coming 0. The remainder is again 0. That means the given number is divisible by 7. You can say yes. Have you understood now, Adrika?
Yes, sir. I have understood.
Very good. Okay, have you all done all the parts, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now you can start doing the D, question D. Again, you have to do this in your copy. You all know all the methods now, so you can do it very easily. Question D, यही check करना है whether the numbers are divisible by the given numbers or not. Okay. Start doing question D, all of you.
Sir, we have to do question D in book.
You have to do question D in copy.
Sir, in the fourth
Okay.
part, divisibility by 7 in the B part, sir, please explain it again, sir. I cannot understand that.
This one which is on the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the number is 8,183. What is the method? You remove the last digit of the number 3. You multiply it by 2, 3 into 2, and then you subtract it from the remaining number 818 में से minus करेंगे. So 3 into 2 is 6. 818 minus 6. What do you get? 818 minus 6. You get 812. Okay. So now you divide 812 by 7 and just check whether the remainder is 0 or not. Just me check. Adrika understood? Sorry, Iram understood?
Yes, sir.
Adrika, you are having a breakfast?
Oh, sir.
Very good. What are you having in the breakfast?
Sir,
Sorry? Tell me again.
what, sir?
Asking what are you having in your breakfast?
Some,
Tell
sir,
me in
some
English.
chocolate.
Chocolates. Very good. You can have your breakfast. Very good. Varun Goel has already had his breakfast. Varun Goel, have you had your breakfast? Your breakfast कर लिया? Yes, sir. We all done all the parts of question D also. I'm just checking all the answers.
Yes,
I'm telling you all the answers. You need to verify
Yes,
your
sir.
answers. Everyone, okay? Verify करिए अपने answers जल्दी से. So first one is yes, second is yes, third is no, fourth is no, fifth is yes, sixth is no, seventh is yes, and eighth is no. You have checked
Sir,
your
my
answers?
answers are correct.
Sir, my all answers are correct. Sir, in third one, the number is